Hello everyone, I'm telling you in this video that how can you create your assignments on Microsoft Teams on your laptops. So this is Microsoft Teams platform. Here you can see several options: activity, chat, calendar, assignments, teams, like these options are there. So click on this assignment option, then there you can see a create button. When you click on this create button, it will ask for whether you want to create assignment or quiz, or from existing assignment or quiz you want to create. So I'll select a quiz option here. So this box will appear. Here you need to select for which team you want to create an assignment. Right now I'm selecting for the test team, so I'm selecting this test team and click the next button. So there you can see there is this button, new quiz. Click on this new quiz. Click on this add new quiz. Give the quiz a title first. For example, this is a computer test. Write down the class also, class 7. Click on add new. So there are these types of questions you can add. Multiple choice question, short text or long text question, rating question, date type question, or here in the drop down list you can see the file upload question. So this is the most important file upload question. Let me tell you one by one. So first choice question. So if you want to give choice in any question, for example, my question is p tag is used for dash, and here I can give the options: break a line, bold. You can add options from here, heading, or none of these. So this is like the multiple choice question you can give like this. So what is the answer? Here is bold tab. So just tick mark here. This is the correct answer and adds the point. This is 1 point question. Okay, now add a new question here. Now I want to add a long text answer. So click on the text. Enter your question. What is number system? So points 2. This is how you can add long answer question or short answer question. So I'm just dragging this bar because this is a long answer question and I don't want to write my answers. You can just write the keywords if you want. Now add new. Next is file upload question. If you want your students should upload a file, they'll just click the image of their answers and they'll upload it. So select this file upload option. Click on OK button. Now write down the question. Draw the diagram of, say, computer system. Okay, and the file limit, you can choose the file limit, number of images they can upload. So I'm choosing it 1 right now. Size, single file size limit is 10 MB. Keep it like this only and give the points here. 5 marks. Answer is this. Now done. Your question paper is done now. Then click on done button here. When I click on the done button, it will ask for scheduling the test. Write down the title. I have written here computer test class 7. Then assign to, which teams you are assigning, which channel you are assigning. Assign to all students if you want to assign to all students. If you want to assign to an individual student, you can assign it individual student by clicking on this option, individual students. And then click on this edit button to schedule it accordingly. Like schedule to assign in future. The post date and due date should be same. Like I want to take my test on 12th August 2021. Choose the time, 10:30 AM. So due date, keep the due date same as the post date, and time also 10:30 AM. Okay, so post date and due date is same. Now the close date. So after this date, students will not able to get to take the test. Now the close time will be 12 p.m. Click on done when you are done. Okay, now add assignment to calendars. So add for students only, student and me, or students and team honors. So it's up to you. You want for students and me or students and team honor. Okay, so you can choose out of these two options. So I'm selecting students and team honor. Done. Now you don't need to do anything else here. Just click on schedule. So your assignment will be scheduled. You can see here, computer test class 7. Team name is here, due tomorrow at 10:30. You can edit also by clicking here. If you want to edit the questions, just go to this form, Microsoft Forms, and you can edit it. Thank you so much.